Kodak, man, help me. Yeah, don't get on the curves. You'll get stuck. There you go. Yes, can we kill people with these? I gotta run over somebody. Hold on.
Try to run me over.
No. I'll run over random pedestrians. I don't get stuck. Ah, no, I didn't. Come here. Die, you fucker. Oh shit! No, I didn't get stuck. I'm just fucking smothered into my field right. Oh, yeah, these things don't cut people. Come here. Ah! Bumper cars. Oh, I think I'm stuck. Oh, no. Alright, no rider. Rudy. I sat down.
Hey dude, what time is it at your house?
Who cares? Just enjoy the fucking lawnmowers. Oh look, they got lights and shit. Who the fuck is gonna mow? Hey, that guy's way up front. OB, you're way up front.
No, I
OB's
can't
way
reverse.
Up front.
I can't reverse because this dude's lawnmower is stuck in the way.
He can't reverse. He sounds drunk. Hey, you ran over that man. Okay. I'm trying to, oh, I think, oh, I'm gonna die. Yeah, oh, I'm gonna die. Go. Hey, that guy cheated. Oh,
no.
Yes. Let's go. I'm winning. Oh, what up, man? What up? Hey. Don't hate me. Hey. What's up? This is bullshit. Somebody's cheating, dude. Somebody's fucking cheating. Oh, like he is. Oh shit! I didn't see that fucking card. Look at him, he's winning. Somebody run him over. Somebody run him over. Run him over. Oh, he's struggling me. Hey man, I see you behind me. Hold on. I wonder if this will work. Yo. Hey, what's up back there? Huh? Sorry. Fuck you, I'm winning. I'm winning the phrase. Fuck you. These two running around. Yeah. Oh shit. Learn how to turn, dude. Shit. Hey, I see you flipping me off. Fuck you. It's a flip off. Somebody popped his tire.
Somehow I'm way out there.
Oh, I'm in second place. Fuck y'all. That guy in the front clearly fucking won. No, wait. They got mad. Fuck you. Oh shit! I got hit. I got second. Yeah, dude. You know what? Lawnmowers are deadly. Hey! Somebody's shooting. Oh, what are you doing? Fuck you.
Yo, where
You're gonna get stuck on the curb. Alright.
I would.
I gotta fuck. I know you won.
Oh, what the fuck?
Fucking cheater. Fuck you. Oh shit!
We can't even get in the damn parking lot.
Hey! No! Run him over! That's what you get! Run! Oh no! She's catching up! Hey man! No, mine! Run! I don't know. Yeah, look, it's a two-seater. Oh, now he's gone. This is bullshit. This is like, what the? Yeah.